These 5 cleaning hacks will transform your floors. Dear friends, dirty, dull floors can make your entire home look untidy, even when everything else is clean. The good news? You don't need expensive products to bring back that fresh, sparkling look. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple cleaning hacks that can completely transform your floors. Hack number 1. Use warm water mixed with a few drops of dish soap. This simple solution removes everyday dirt and grease from tile, vinyl, and laminate floors without leaving residue behind. Hack number 2. Add a splash of white vinegar to your mop bucket. Vinegar helps dissolve grime, removes odors, and leaves floors looking brighter. Just avoid using it on natural stone surfaces like marble. Hack number 3. Use baking soda for stubborn stains. Sprinkle a little baking soda on the affected area, gently scrub with a damp cloth, and watch tough marks disappear. Hack number 4. Clean grout lines with an old toothbrush. A mixture of baking soda and water can lift years of dirt from grout, making tile floors look almost brand new. Finally, hack number 5. Dry your floors with a microfiber mop after cleaning. This prevents water spots, reduces streaks, and gives floors a polished finish. These easy cleaning hacks require minimal effort but deliver impressive results. Try them today and see how quickly your floors become cleaner, brighter, and more beautiful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.